Yeah, when I went to Honolulu, they used to have this thing called the Dome. And then one time there was this big snowstorm and it like fell to the ground.
Yo, bro, what's wrong with your voice?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, your voice is really weird. Yeah, bro, we should really get a doctor, get that checked out.
Okay. Huh. Dr. Quackers. No. Dr. Magic. There's an angel in the background. No. Ooh, what's this? Dr. Mario. Oh, looks like he has a little badge on his chest. I think I'm gonna give this guy a call. I'd love to make an appointment. Yep. My name is Jay Bird. Yeah, that works. Okay. I'll be there. Where's this place at? Oh, here it is.
Alright, see you, bro. Oh, welcome to Dr. Margot's. How can I help you?
My name is Jay Bird. I'm here for an appointment.
You got any money? More? Keep them coming. Yeah, that's right. That's what I like. Come on. That's not enough. Alright, let's wait. So what are you in here for today?
Well, my friend said I sound weird, so they told me to come to the doctor, so here I am.
Okay. I'm gonna just test out your voice. Can you repeat the sentence for me?
Yeah.
Mario is always better than Luigi.
Mario is always better than Luigi.
Okay, alright. Okay, I think I have an idea with your voice. Come with me. There's gotta be something I can do to fix his voice. I got it. Hey, Bowser, can you help me real quick? What? Oh, yeah, hey Mario. Yeah, can you help me real quick? I need help with this patient who, his voice is really weird, and I think it'd be a great idea to scare him. Yeah, I got you, man. I got you.
Well, is there anything else we can do?
Unfortunately, Jay, there's nothing else we can do today. Have a good weekend.
I guess I'll just have this stupid voice forever. Island. Mario's always better than Luigi. Oh my god, I think it actually worked. Hey, we have candy for good patients. I'm gonna go show my friends.